Noodle is one of the most favorite food in Asia. But have you ever heard about fried noodle from Indonesia? Before continue this video, don't forget to hit subscribe button, share to your mom and smash the like button if you like this video. And the ingredient is sweet soya sauce, fish sauce, soya sauce the salty one, powdered beef stock, salt and pepper, and also the noodles, egg, salads, garlics, chili, and then candle nut. Let's do cooking. First, open the noodle and pull out from the plastic. In this recipe, I just need one strip of noodle and it's for one person. After that, grab some cabbage and chop the cabbage. Cut it like julienne cut. Crack the egg and add a pinch of salt. Add some powdered pepper and beat the egg. For the seasoning, peel the garlic add some chili, cut it into small size to make easier to grind. Add shallots and grind it until mixed well. And now we can continue cook our noodle. First, boil the water. And put the noodle in. And cook in 2 or 3 minutes and check the noodle texture. If the texture becomes soft but still sturdy or like al dente, the noodle is ready. To cook the noodle, put the pan set on high heat and the seasoning goes in. Stir it well and wait until you can smell the aroma. It's very fragrant and looks delicious. After that, egg goes in and then stir it well again. Put the noodle in and give some toss. Add some pepper, soy sauce, fish sauce, and sesame oil. Powdered beef stock goes in. Pinch of salt. Stir it well again until you can smell the aroma. Add 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Add cabbage. And add a little bit of sweet soy sauce again and wait until it's perfectly cooked. And you can enjoy the Indonesian fried noodle. It's so sweet and so savory.